Vibe coders, if you're new to this whole vibe coding thing, GitHub and all this stuff, please listen up because a couple of days ago I did a post of saying how quick can you recover your code if your laptop just falls in the bath or something. And I got a lot of comments, over 100, which is a lot for me, and a lot of people just said I just use GitHub. There's two issues I have with this. Number one, by default, when you set up GitHub, it sets up your repository as public, which means anyone can read any file in your repository. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings, go down to the bottom where it's danger zone and change that to private. That's number one. But the second thing you got to do is if you have sent all your files to GitHub, check if you have a git ignore file locally, and inside that file, check if there's a .env listed. Because that .env file is your environment variables file, which has all your security keys for all your services. And if you haven't referenced that file in your git ignore file, then when you push to GitHub, that file goes with every other file. And if your repository was by default set to public, anyone can read all your API keys and probably already have, so you're going to need to change them. And the second thing you need to do is get that. Even if your repository is set to private and you've still done this, delete it and still change all those keys, because it's just too easy to go through and trace and find and sniff and snap and have all kinds of issues that you don't want down the road. You just don't want an env file sitting out there in your repository, whether it is public or private. So GitHub is not the only source of your backup. You need to store your API keys somewhere else, please, locally, securely, a secure file on your phone. I don't care. Just don't send it to GitHub. Thank you. This public service message has finished.